Welcome back. Part 21. 21 weeks of the C10 Chevy build. Been a long struggle, it seems, but we're still making progress. So let's go in here and take a look and see what we've got done today. Okay, so we have the timing chain cover and everything sealed back up. New oil pan gasket on. Have it back running. Just letting it sit out here and warm up. Checking the antifreeze level and the coolant again. So everything turned out good. Okay, today we're back block sanding on this door. What I've done, I put guide coat on it, and I'm going to use an extra long sanding block, and we're going to sand across it and see how many bad and low spots we have. Okay, let's take a look here. You can see these dark areas, which are low, which I knew I was going to need more across right in through here, up next to the edge. But the rest of it is coming in there. Still a little bit low right there. A little low right on these edges. Some low right in here. A little low right here. Right in here. So I'm going to mix up some Bondo and we'll skim some more on it. Okay, we've had a couple successful weeks here. I just want to recap what we've got done. We've got both front fenders painted. Of course, the bed's done. I have it covered up right now, but got both inner fenders painted. We got the inside of the passenger's door painted, so it's ready to hang on the truck, and then of course we'll paint the outside when we paint the cab of the truck or the doors after we get them hung and lined up. And I've also started blocking on the cab using 400 on the areas that doesn't require any repair work or Bondo, which is pretty much all the back of the cab and the sides. Still have to put a little bit on the cab corner down there. You can see the line. And inside we haven't started on yet, but we will 400 all of that before putting sealer on it. Also got the door in a lot better shape. When we left off before there, I was going to show you, I was going to skim those low areas there and the places, and I've got that done, just haven't blocked it back off yet. The tailgate, put a final skim on it, stripped all the EDM off the inside of it. So we got it ready to epoxy prime. So we'll do that separately. And then I'm going to go back and put another coat of slick sand on this door and the tailgate after I get it epoxy primed on the tailgate. And then block off of that. So we're closing in on it. We still got the hood and the cowl piece I haven't touched yet, but we'll get after that too. But got the core support back in and painted satin black on it. It's got dust on it now, but got all of that put back. New timing cover, new oil pan gasket, new timing chain, of course, while I was in there, and got the new oil seal. Stopped all the oil leaks. Also serviced the transmission while I had it under there, and got that ready to go. So basically everything is done there. We still got to paint this firewall, which is going to be a task because I'm going to have to strip quite a bit of stuff off of it to get down to where I need to paint. Most of it, as you can see, is that sealer across the seam from the factory. I probably won't try to do much with that other than I'm just going to paint what you see white there and silver on that. I've already blacked and bed linered everything underneath the heater box, and of course put the rust encapsulator on the frame as you've seen in previous videos. So it's moving along. We're at the point now where things are going to hopefully start coming together, and we can get it finished up here and show you what it looks like completion. So hopefully it's all going to turn out quicker than I thought, and a whole lot better than I thought. So that's a wrap for this week. Another long week for me, and not a lot of video, and not much to see when you're block sanding and sanding on stuff. You already seen me do the fenders in the previous video, so there wasn't much sense of showing me painting the inner fenders and the doors. It's all pretty much the same technique on that. The only good thing about the inner fenders and the inside of the doors, we won't wet sand or buff those because, you know, it's just not an exposed piece much. The inner fenders actually turned out pretty slick, have very little dirt in them, so they'll be fine just like they are because they're going to be under the hood anyways. Same way with the door. This is the hinge end of the door. You really won't even see it at all, hardly. The opening part of the door you will see, which is this side. So pay a little more attention to getting it slicker and shinier than the other side. Of course, all of this here, the door panel goes on, so all of that's covered. I didn't paint any of that or clear coat any of that. Same thing on this side. So moving along. That's going to be a wrap for this week. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Still got the video of the 62 unibody with all the updates and stuff we've done to it, and we'll probably try to post some more on it. I have put a few shorts on my channel, just some short clips of some of the stuff we've done to it, and you can view them there for you who are interested in Ford unibodies. Kind of a unique truck, not too many of them around, especially short beds, but I think you'll be surprised at the updates you see on that. We've pretty much went from front of it to the back of it and updated quite a bit of stuff on it. So that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.